We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we are working with the Canon Pixma TR4520. We are going to teach you how to change the inks in them. It takes a 245 black and a 246 color. What you're going to do is open this little front part. It should just move the inks right in front of you. Give it a second. Once it's moved in front of you, you're just going to press down and then pull it out. It's going to be slightly diagonal. So you take it out, and then once you want a new one, you're going to put it back in. Put it kind of diagonal upwards. Press it in and then press up. You hear it beep. Then close the tray. It'll fix itself initializing, and if you guys need anything else, just give us a call. You have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.